Hello and welcome to Monday, October 26th math lesson. It is lesson number 31, and we are continuing to work on subtraction stories with one of the numbers unknown, which we can solve with another subtraction sentence. So for homework, they've got two sides. This is one side. We've got three stories on the other side. If you're starting with the story, there are about four parts the student needs to do. First, read the story. Missy gets 6 presents for her birthday. She unwraps some, and 4 are still wrapped. How many did she unwrap? So what we're going to do is first, I've told the students they need to circle the numbers that they hear or that they see in the story. A lot of times, if there's a number word, I like to write the number above it, just for a quick reference of what that number was. The second thing they need to do is draw the picture. So if Missy had 6 presents, we're going to draw 6 dots or 6 lines, 5, 6, okay? She unwraps 4 of them. The students can either do two things. They can circle the 4, or they can just put a line through them to say that they're taking those away. We already know about the 4 that are still wrapped. We don't need to know about the ones that are still wrapped, so we're going to take that number away. So down here in our problem, we've got 6 take away, so we're going to take away the 4 we know about. Leaves us with how many presents that are still unwrapped, or that are unwrapped, which would be 2. So in our sentences, as Missy unwrapped 2 presents. Now the students need to use these 3 numbers to make the number bond. They've already done the 6 for you, so our other 2 numbers are 4 and 2. So they do that. On the back, same thing. They just have not inputted some numbers for them. So if a dog has 8 bones, he hides some. He still has 5. We need to know how many he hid. By the word some, we know that we don't know that number. So we're going to draw a picture first, which is 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 bones. Started with 8 bones. He still has 5 at the end of the story. We know about that 5, so we're going to circle that 5, or the students can cross out that 5 because we don't need to know about it anymore. We know that he still has 5. What we don't know is how many he hid. Whatever's left over are the bones that are hidden. So there are 3 bones that are hidden. For the math fact, we started with 8 bones. We took away the 5 we already knew about, which left us with the 3 bones. Now you need to use those 3 numbers to make a number bond. The box or the circle or whatever shape is by itself on a number bond, that is always going to be the largest number, which would be 8 for us. And then the other 2 boxes are the smaller numbers in that family, which would be the 5 and the 3. You're going to do the same thing with number 5 and also with number 6. If you have any questions, please email me or call me. Have a great night.